Hello, my name is Belinda Rackman, and I've been a family law attorney since 1996. I've done nothing but mediation for the last 12 or 13 years, and I have an extraordinary ability to help parties settle a case because before I was a lawyer, I was a teacher of severely emotionally disturbed children. So I've had children who have killed their parents. I've worked in state mental hospitals, private facilities for severely emotionally disturbed children. So I've yet to meet a couple I can't help settle a case peacefully in my office for a low flat fee. In fact, my fee, my entire fee, is what most attorneys charge as a retainer. So for $5,000, honest couples where there are no issues of hidden assets, lying about income, nobody's sneaky. I don't work with people who aren't honest. But for honest couples, you are going to save so much money by working together. And one thing you need to realize is that family law attorneys' fees in California are protected by law by the equity in their client's home. That's a very dangerous situation when you have equity in your house because the case will go on and on and on. And it's just not that complicated. The first decision you need to make is who's going to be the petitioner and who's going to be the respondent. So the petitioner is the person who actually files the papers. And if you're not dividing a retirement asset, if you don't need a qualified domestic relations order to divide a retirement asset, then the respondent does not need to pay the filing fee. So in September of 2018, the filing fee in San Diego County is $435, and it goes up a little bit every few years. So you don't want to have to pay legal fees and filing fees that are unnecessary. So for couples who are working together, who aren't trying to pull a fast one and can honestly deal with each other, you're going to save money. You're going to be able to have a much more comfortable co-parenting relationship. And I should know because my parents divorced when I was young. And I'm much older than I look. When my parents got a divorce, it was in the 1960s. And half the children at my school were not from divorced families. I was probably one of the few kids at that time who their parents were going through a really nasty divorce. And it affected my idea about relationships and marriage. I would not have married had my boyfriend wanted to in 1985. I met somebody who really wanted to marry me, and I did it because he wanted to, but I never had children. And children of nasty divorces are more inclined to make that choice in their life of not having children because they've seen how nasty their parents' divorce was. So, if you want to have grandchildren, my poor mother never had grandchildren. If you want to have grandchildren, you need to have a peaceful divorce, and I can help you with that. All right, anyway, when other lawyers pad your bill, call me up. I never will. Belinda Rackman, family law attorney, certified mediator, fair divorce in a day mediation.